ụmụaka Igbo anyị nọ na mba ụwa na-ekiri Igbo na Kpakpando TV ga-achọ ịmata onye Igbo n'ọrụ ị na-arụ ndị Igbo.
Brother, I'm going to be seeing Igbo car. Malam di ba ese mo sa ba ko Biafra. As go yen make e na Korea. Mo abobo the former director youth and sports of Maso, and also the former administrator of Maso at the state. Then in that aspect, we see all our efforts being diverted from one word or another through the former platform. We decided that the best thing to do is to continue pushing forward. We decided to have a larger family, which is now the Eastern Revolution Movement.
Eastern Revolution Movement.
So this organization presently now, we are using it to bring other organizations under a single platform. Now to work with Alandibo Foundation, so that we can have a pure security setting that can push back our enemy if there is any time there is problem.
Go Biafra, ihe ọzọ eji mara gị bụ nchekwa obodo dịka isi kwupụta ichekwa ala Igbo. Mana kemgbe ndị na-echefu ndị Fulani na-abatazi na-awakpo ndị Igbo na-achụpụ ha n'ebe a na-akọ ugbo. Kedu mbọ ị na-agba ịfụ na ihe a na ndị a na-achụghachi azụ na na-echekwala n'Igbo?
You see, my dear, what we are trying to do, and we have started doing it, we are now starting mobilizing our youths from all the local area. You understand? Because we already have a platform. When these children will be trained, we have started training them. Now, at the end of the day, we will bring those children that we have trained under the youth, under the platform with our Alandibo Foundation, so that we now map out how to be able to equip these children. Because we don't want anything we do, the security people will tell us to be a terrorist or to be one thing or the other. So we want to bring our elders so that we all will work in unison to be able to protect our land. And you're talking about the Fulanis, I was born and brought up in Kano State. We know automatically what is their game plan. And based on that game plan, we say no, we will never give them an opportunity or chance for them to achieve their aim. That is why we are not training our children. And also
the game plan,
they want to use this grazing bill to be able to capture our territory. They bring their family, bring their children, and so on and so on. They will settle there. Before you know what is happening, from there they will begin to look how to enter into our cultural system, political system, and even have an emir in that locality. And before you know what is happening, they will not start slaughtering our people. Knowing quite well that the security system in Nigeria is not favorable to we, because of they have more number and the way the British hand over the government to them. So what we're trying to do now is to create awareness to our people. Please, each traditional rulers in every locality know the people that will give the land for them to graze, and let government never restrict any single portion of our land to this land. So, and we cannot go it alone. It is through this platform we are now coming together. Now we move the matter to the state government, and our people in the House of Assembly will now know that it is a duty that they will surely support the youth for us to have this security plan, and that's what we are doing.
Ewe ihe ọzọ ị na-alụta aka dịka onye nchekwa na-echekwa ala Igbo na ndị Fulani ndị a na-ekwu maka na nkata ha na-akpa bụ ịbịa tụọ ụmụ nwaanyị anyị ime ha mụchaa ya esizi ebe a bata ala Igbo.
They have been doing that thing for a long time.
Kedu mbọ ị na-agbazi ife na ihe a?
We have been training our children, educating our female, and sometimes when we even see them in that engaging in such a trade, we always try to be able to do something we're supposed to do in a normal time. You understand? So what we're trying to do is that we're not engaging these girls one way or the other, enlightening them one way or the other. You understand? Even sometimes we go to this Mame market, all these places when these foreign people engage, you find some of our girls being involved in this prostitution business and so on. These are the people that these foreign people mess up, and they're having these children abandon them. If you go to uncomputable buildings, see our girls They are touching themselves with all these boys that are selling cigarettes. That is what I'm saying. All these Amawas and so see our guys hooking themselves in the Gariki. You understand? And even some of our guys that in school, you see them, and even our mothers, some of them will divorce their husband because of a bag of rice, tomatoes, and yam, and so they are collecting from this people. And you understand, there is a lot of evil havoc that have been committed by our women. So what we are trying to do is to bring these people, inform them, enlighten them that it is not good, you understand, for them to be engaging in this business. Because these children they are getting from this people will not be taken back. There will be some people who will abandon them here. And you know their culture. Immediately they die, they will bury them there. And these women don't even know where these people come from. Some of them come from Chad, some of them come from Niger, some of them come from different parts of the world. So what we are trying to say, if you want to follow this Hausa man, mind you that when you have an issue with him, try to take the children back to where they come from. Don't abandon them. So Adamu will not be answering Chukuma. So that is exactly what's happening here. So, and these are the people that is very easy for them to be recruited for Boko Haram or even for this thing because they don't know where they come from. And some of these women and some of them have they have already settled down. They're causing a lot of havoc. If you go to Rwanda, you see this guy speaking Igbo, and some of them don't even know where the father comes from. So that is why we wanted to stop all these nonsense. You understand?
And then Marga Choka say Batano Kedin no to Giwabo Oyisi Hogwa, Kedin Kesa, Batake, and the Toro in Quadu, Makana, Inchako Alai, Nano Yob no.
You see, what we are doing now, by the special grace of God, before the 15th of next month, we are putting a summit. And this summit, because you know, when we get an office, sometimes we begin to have a problem with these security agents. You understand? Carrying on terrorists and so on. So that's why we are now coming with this neutral platform. So we are now creating offices. So after creating these offices, now we officially commission the offices so that our people, our numbers and our forms will be in the internet, so that people will begin to register because we have gotten our uniform, we have gotten our instrument and everything for this purpose. So that the people will not go for recruitment and will not take them where to go and do for their training. And we don't want to put money to be involved. There is nothing like money because this is a volunteer service. So through our own collective effort, we will be able to raise money to carry on this assignment. So that is where we are now. We believe in self-determination. There is nothing like structuring. What are you restructuring onto? You understand? And people are talking about constitution. There is nothing like constitution. There is nothing like 99 constitution, because there was no time that our people were calling into a round table for us to be able to deliberate how to get a constitution. It was Abacha and their group that make up that constitution and impose it to Nigeria. It's a decree. It's nothing like constitution in Nigeria. It is a decree. So anybody that says there is a constitution, they are making a mistake. So there is no constitution in Nigeria presently. What they call constitution is a decree passed by the military. So we are saying that tank cannot hold me. You understand? So we are not saying that the best thing for us to do is for us to have a solid platform. You understand? A solid platform that will be able to give people sense of belonging. You understand? So we believe that restructuring, we don't have anything to do with the restructuring. What we believe is that self-determination, that is what Ojuku say in Abu. Let there be strong region, you understand, and loose federal, so that each region will also have their own constitution and have their ambassador representing them in. That is how it is before. The minute is strong. You understand? There is the Midwest. They have their representative in London. There is a Eastern region. They have their representative in London. There is Western region. There is Northern region. They have their representative. You understand? They are now have this representative of Nigeria as a nation. You understand? So we'll go back to the region. Instead of us to run up and down, you understand? And it is the military that create this state. So they have created their decree and push it to our and continue to make and creating state to favor them, creating local government in motion to favor them. You understand? Why here are the people that bring the resources that sponsor the federal? So what we're trying to do is to give and agitate for the old system, which our father Ikem Baudumegu could stand upon. Strong region, loose central, so that everybody there will be a competitive in Nigeria. Let there be a competition between the West, the North, and the South. So I think that is where we are.
In the power zone, in the one in the South, in the Yoruba, how we're in Turubia, na chitara, Ndoke Hana, because Kedum Meko, Giwa. na ndị otu ndị ọzọ ọkachasị ndị okenye anyị maka na oge ụfọdụ ndị kwe na ndị ekweghị ọ bụ ya na-ebute nsogbu a otu ahụ unu kwubegoro na-ekwusighị ike ndị ọzọ na-ekwusighị ike kedu mmekọ dị n'etiti unu na otu ndị ọzọ ọkachasị ndị okenye?
You see, that is why sometimes people ask, where are you? They say, no, we have been talking. And we will not continue to be a talkative. You understand? The best thing we do is to go on the ground and map out our strategy and start planning. So that was why I keep going and consulting with our elders. I'm just coming back from travel now. I went to meet many of our elders. I have been traveling from Uwele to Abuja to Lagos, consulting them. You understand? Next month now, I will be traveling again to Ghana. So I'm in consultation. Now I'm coming to the conclusion. So next month, as I say, when I came back from Ghana from 18 to 15, we are not taking off the finale to go into the field. So there is a rapport between we and our elders. I will see me today. I was invited by ADF. You understand? We are communicating with Ohaneze and other top Igbo leaders. So there is rapport. You understand? Because we can't go it alone. We needed united front. So there's rapport.
Agụ Biafra ka anyị na-apịachi ugbu a achọ ka iwere Igbo gwa maka na gwa ndị Igbo okwu maka ndọrọndọrọ ka a na-achọ ibido ugbu a ụfọdụ sịrị ndị otu ụfọdụ sị mba na anyị kwesịghị iso na tụtụ ebe anyị na-achọ ịna iwere onwe anyị iwere Biafra anyị akwesịghị iso na-azọ ndọrọndọrọ na-eji eweta akwụkwọ ikike PVC na ihe ndị ọzọ kedu ọnọdụ ị ga-agwazi ndị Igbo ugbu a ihe na-adagharị ugbu a ndọrọndọrọ na-abịa n'afọ 2019 ya bụ 2019 elections kedu ihe ị chọrọ ka ndị Igbo mee kedu ọnọdụ ndị Igbo ga-anọrọ na ya ka udo wee chaa n'ala Igbo ka ndị Igbo wee weta nke
nne m ihe na-achọ ịkọwara ndị be anyị bụ onye ọbụla asị that ndị Igbo anyị involved in election na-abịa na 2019 that person is making a great mistake. You understand? Just like when some of my brothers said that there will not be election in Anambra State, I went and organized one press conference in Enugu. I said, no, this is misleading. You understand? Because if there is a vacuum, your enemy will occupy that position. And if your enemy can occupy that position, when will you not be able to challenge your enemy within inside your home? You understand? So it is when you are able, you know, you make the system. You make the system up. You understand? So I believe that our people will recover now capture our own territory. This is the Biafran territory. So open now election Nadia, everybody, in the money, in the charisma to Ebayan we don't know by political party open if you yes, there was up to the Obolo Apoga, Bolo UPP, Bolo PDP. Any party now you need the sense of belonging by idea. You understand? By idea. I think that is what we are not there. I know what they buy. It will be born a more occupy all those positions because Obon it's Honibo, Senate, it's Honibo, House of Representatives, Honibo as a governor, Ndi logo, you're making you more occupy. So what we are saying that in the buy, are they involved in election 2019? So the Kaiweke push on that because we do with the governor of Eastern Region. Where the money and the resources which we also for complete 3 years. Open on a government, not from us where we get the resources. So you will now control our talent when we are looking for our safety. The referendum, everything beside the referendum, I believe that everything you have got in after the MSC election. You have to go MSC election. Can we get malware this country because this 2019 will end this country. You understand? But I won't be fine about you and about you and the Chakwa as I make sure Nandilo, Epos or people, our governor, House of Representatives, Senate or members of local government while we are pushing for our self-determination. I go back for the Chineke Bagu,